Hey there! If you're tired of doing expensive product shoots, setting up lighting, hiring models, or juggling multiple editing apps, you're going to want to see this. Today, I'm showing you a powerful AI tool called Sellerpic. It's designed specifically for people who sell products online. Whether you're into fashion, jewelry, handmade items, or accessories, this platform helps you create high-end visuals without needing a studio or camera. Let's get into how it works. Start by going to your browser and typing sellerpic.ai. Click the official site and you'll land on the dashboard, which is clean and easy to navigate. You'll see several AI modules right away. Let's begin with one of the most exciting ones, Virtual Try-On for Apparel. This is ideal if you sell clothing like tops, dresses, jackets, or full outfits. You'll see two modes, minimal mode and batch mode. Upload your garment file, either a top or a full piece, and select a model pose from the right-hand panel. These presets include different genders, styles, and ethnicities. You can even upload your own model image if you prefer. Once your item is placed, Sellerpic generates 4 slightly different versions of the same pose so you can choose the best one. If you're creating multiple looks or a full campaign, use batch mode for a consistent editorial style collection. Next up, Virtual Try-On for accessories. This is perfect for jewelry sellers. Rings, bracelets, earrings, watches. First, upload a high-resolution image of your product, like a ring. Choose a hand model with the right pose and skin tone. Then, scale and position the product carefully for a natural look. Click Generate and Sellerpic instantly creates a photorealistic image of your product being worn, including skin texture, shadows, and lighting that make it look like it was shot in a real studio. Now let's turn a static image into video content. Click on the Image to Video button. You can add simple animations like zoom, rotation, and background music. For example, take your product image, a ring, and add slow spin with a soft background. In seconds, you've got a short promotional video that looks completely professional. Want to customize it further? Use the remix feature. Type a simple prompt like a young woman wearing the ring, camera slowly zooming out, soft natural light background. Sellerpic takes that idea and transforms your image into a lifestyle-driven promotional video. Great for reels, product pages, or social ads. And when everything's ready, publishing is just as easy. Click the 3 dots next to your download button and hit Publish. From there, you can instantly post to platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, or schedule your posts ahead of time, right from inside the dashboard. So whether you're selling rings, dresses, jackets, or handmade fashion, Sellerpic helps you turn plain product shots into stunning, scroll-worthy content without the stress. Try it for yourself at sellerpic.ai and start creating studio-quality content in minutes. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with a fellow creator, and subscribe for more hands-on AI walkthroughs to help your business grow smarter, not harder. Check out my exclusive link in the description. Use code TECH15 at checkout to get your exclusive discount. Goodbye until then.